Hello bachcho, welcome to the last part of most important questions from trigonometry for CBSE class 10 board exam. So this is Jeff Wellesley here again with an amazing session for you. So if you have not yet downloaded our app, make sure that you can download our app from the Play Store, and then you also have a booster course which is a 6-day program going on, right? I've been telling from the past 3 episodes, so here also. So if you have liked our past 3 episodes, make sure that you enroll for our booster course. It's going to be a very interesting session. 6 classes will be there. Out of that, 3 will be maths class and 3 will be science class. And there will be daily homework given, daily test papers going on, and you can also download the ebook from our app once you enroll for a booster course at just 29, 49 or 99 rupees depending on which grade you are from. Alright, so let's go ahead with today's questions. My name is Jeff Wellesley. I did my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from NIT Rourkela. I'm a master teacher for mathematics with 6+ years of experience. And talking about my academic career, I scored 95% marks in my CBSE class 12 board exam and 97 out of 100 for mathematics. Alright. So let's start with today's question. The first question is to prove that Ck into 1 minus sin A into Ck plus tan A is equal to 1. This is what we have to prove. Alright. So how can we do this question? So let's do one thing. You all know that Ck is 1 divided by cos A, right? You know that Ck is You all know that sec of A is 1 divided by cos A, correct? So sec is 1 by cos A. So this sec I am writing it as 1 divided by cos A. Fair enough. Into 1 minus sin A into sec plus tan A. Let it be there. Alright. Now again, let's take this 1 by cos A inside. So what does it become? This will become 1 divided by cos A minus sin A by cos A into Ck plus tan A. This is what we are going to have. Ck plus tan A. Correct? So what is 1 by cos A? You know that 1 by cos A is again Ck, right? So you can write it as Ck minus what is sin A by cos A? You know that sin A by cos A is nothing but tan A. So you can write this as tan A into Ck plus tan A. Correct or not? This is what you have in the LHS currently. Now do you see an A plus B into A minus B form here, my dear friends? You know that Ck plus tan A into Ck minus tan A is nothing but sec square A. This can be written as sec square A minus tan square A, right? What is sec square A minus tan square A? You know that sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1, which is nothing but our RHS. Hence it is proved that Ck into 1 minus sin A into Ck plus tan A is one very simple question it is now. Correct? Alright, wonderful. Now if that is clear, let's move to the next question. Next question is asking you to prove that cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A is cosec A minus 1 divided by cosec A plus 1. This is what we have, correct? So let's see how we can go ahead with this. Let's see how we can go ahead with this question. Alright. So when we take the LHS here, so LHS is cot A minus cos A, right? You know that cot A can be written as, you can write cot A as cos A by sin A. Right? Cot A is cos A by sin A minus cos A, let us keep it there itself, whole divided by, again this cot A also you can write the same way around. You can write this cot A also as cos A by sin A, right? Plus cos A. You can fairly write it like this. Yes or no? There is no objection to this, right? So that is equal to, in the numerator, can I take a cos A common? You can take a cos A common in the numerator, right? So what does it become? Cos A into, you can write this as cos A into 1 divided by sin A, right? minus 1. This is what you will get in the numerator. Cos A into 1 divided by sin A minus 1 whole divided by cos A into 1 divided by sin A plus 1. Correct or not? 1 divided by sin A plus 1. You can fairly write it like this. So cos A and cos A katak gone. So what are you left with? 1 by sin A. What is 1 by sin A? Which is cosec A minus 1 whole divided by 1 by sin A, which is again cosec A plus 1. Isn't it what was supposed to be proved? Hence it is proved that this question is very easily proved right now. Is it clear to all of you? Alright, this is very much clear to everyone, right? So cosec A minus 1 divided by cosec A plus 1. I hope it is clear to each and everyone present here. Wonderful. If this is clear, let's move to the next question. Yesterday we have done a similar question to this already. So you have to prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 whole divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, which is equal to 1 divided by sec theta minus tan theta. And a hint is already given, which is sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This is already given to you. Yesterday we have done a similar question. Do you remember what we did there first? We divided numerator and denominator by sign because that question had cosecant. But here observe, on the right hand side there is sec present. So how can you bring in a sec here? You know that sec is 1 by cos. So as a first step, let's do one thing. You know that LHS is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 whole divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. This is what is there in the LHS. Let us divide numerator and denominator by a cos theta here. Okay, I am dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. So what happens to sin theta? Sin theta will become sin theta by cos theta, which is tan theta, minus cos theta by cos theta is 1 plus 1 by cos theta is sec theta whole divided by, again denominator also you are doing the same, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta plus cos theta by cos theta is 1 minus 1 divided by cos theta is sec theta. That also you got. Correct? So you have tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta whole divided by tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Now let's observe one thing. In the right hand side, numerator has to become 1. How can you make the numerator 1? That should be your thought here now. So let's do one thing. Let's do one thing here. This is equal to, so the numerator is now tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta. You can write it here. Tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta. You can write the numerator like this. And in the denominator, what is there? Tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta, which can be written as tan theta minus sec theta. This plus 1, can I write this 1 as sec square theta minus tan square theta? Can I write this 1 as sec square theta minus tan square theta? Fairly you can write it. Correct? So that is equal to tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta, which is the numerator, whole divided by tan theta minus sec theta, right, plus sec square theta minus tan square theta is sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. You can fairly write it like this because sec square theta minus tan square theta is sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. So which will be equal to tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta whole divided by, now what can you do over here is, can you take a sec theta minus tan theta common from here and here? You can easily take sec theta minus tan theta common. When you say take sec theta minus tan theta common, what will be left here? A minus 1 will be left here, and here what will be left? Plus sec theta plus tan theta will be left here. Is this clear to all of you? So that is basically sec theta plus tan theta minus 1. Here also sec theta plus tan theta minus 1, katak, gone. What is left? 1 divided by sec theta minus tan theta. That is the only thing which is left, which is equal to your RHS. So 1 divided by sec theta minus tan theta. We have done a very similar question yesterday also. Very important these questions are. Hence it is equal to RHS. That's it. Alright. Yes. Now the multiple choice wala questions. Choose the correct option. 9 sec square theta minus 9 tan square theta. What can we do here? You can take a 9 common here. When you take a 9 common here, what does it become? It will become 9 times of sec square A minus tan square A. What is sec square A minus tan square A? It is 1. So it is 9 into 1, which is 9 will be the answer. So option B has to be the right answer for you. Is this clear to all? The right answer will be option B. Again, choose the correct option and justify your choice. The question is 2 times of 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Let's see what is going to happen here. Okay, so 2 times of 1 plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, right? And sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Fair enough. And again, here 1 plus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, minus cosec theta is again 1 by sin theta for you. Is this clear? LHS, is this clear to all of you? So that is equal to 2 times of, when you take the LCM, what does it become? Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 whole divided by cos theta into, again, cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 whole divided by sin theta. This is what we are going to have. Yes or no? We will have this. So this is equal to 2 times of cos theta sin theta. Let it remain there. And do you see an A plus B into A minus B? You can take A as cos theta plus sin theta and B as 1. So A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square, which is cos theta plus sin theta the whole square. Yes, cos theta plus sin theta the whole square minus 1. You can write this like this, cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1, because this is A plus B, this is A minus B, where A is cos theta plus sin theta, B is 1. Okay, so that should be equal to 2 times of cos theta plus sin theta whole square is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 whole divided by sin theta cos theta, right? Whole divided by sin theta cos theta. This is what you will be having. Correct or not? So this is equal to 2 times of cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta here is 1. And this 1 and minus 1 gone. So what is left? 2 times of 2 sin theta cos theta whole divided by sin theta cos theta. Okay. So what does it become? Sin theta cos theta can be cancelled. What are we left with? This is 4. Okay. So actually this have come as 4 because I have taken this 2. This actually was supposed to be the question mark. So the actual option is 2 when this 2 was not part of the question. So you can consider this part a lot, and when you remove that 2, the answer will be option C. I got 4 because this is actually the question number. I considered it as a number. Okay, so no difference. The procedure is all the same. Just ignore this 2. When you ignore this 2, all these 2's are supposed to be removed. Then the answer will be just finally 2. I hope it is clear to all. Okay, fine. Then choose the correct option and justify your choice. The question number is 3. This is question number is 3. Okay. Question number is 3. Ck plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. Okay, just for the previous question, we can do one thing. Let's erase that 2 completely. Okay. To avoid the confusion, When we avoid this 2 completely, all the confusion is gone, then the answer will be 2. Okay, final answer will be 2 here. Alright, again, so choose the correct option and justify your choice. Ck plus tan A into 1 minus sin A, which one of them will satisfy? So let's see. So Ck is 1 by cos A plus tan A is sin A by cos A into 1 minus sin A. This is what you have, correct? So most of the questions in proof for trigonometry, most of them will become very easier when you convert it into sin and cos, okay? It's not the thumb rule for all the question, but most of the question. If nothing else is striking you, try to convert it in terms of sin and cos, okay? So here 1 by cos A can be taken common in the first 2 terms, so it will be left with 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. You can write it like this. So this is equal to 1 by cos A times of, do you see A plus B into A minus B form here? 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A is 1 minus sin square A. And you know that 1 minus sin square A is nothing but cos square A. So this will become cos square A whole divided by cos A, right? So that is equal to cos A again, because cos square A divided by cos A, one of the cos cancels. So the answer will be option D here. Correct? Again, let's do the next question. Choose the correct option, justify your choice. The question is 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. What will be the answer here? Let's do one thing. Can I write the 1 on the numerator as sec square A minus tan square A? You can fairly write 1 as sec square A minus tan square A. So plus tan square A whole divided by 1 can again be written as cosec square A minus cot square A plus cot square A. Why did I choose 2 different identities? Because you will be able to cancel tan square A and tan square A here. You will be able to cancel cot square A and cot square A here. So this one was written as sec square A minus tan square A, and this one was written as cosec square A minus cot square A. I hope it is clear to everyone. So what are we left with? We are left with sec square A divided by cosec square A. This is what we are left with. Sec square A divided by cosec square A. What is sec square A? Sec square A is 1 by cos square A whole divided by, what is cosec square A? Cosec square A is 1 by sin square A. So that is equal to sin square A divided by cos square A. What is sin square A divided by cos square A? It should be tan square A should be the answer. So the option should be option D again. Correct? The right answer is option D. Very simple question then. Alright. Now these questions, how to evaluate it? First 2 questions I will do. Rest of the 3 questions you complete it as homework. Okay? There is no other way around. You have to by heart the values. Okay? Sin value 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Just the reverse when you write, what do you get? Cos. Alright, and when you take the reciprocal of sin, you will get cosec. Similarly, tan also you should write 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3 and not defined, etc. It goes on. Alright, so let's do the first question here. First question is sin 60. You know sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into what is cos 30? Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Plus sin 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is also 1 by 2. So what is root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2? It is root 3 by 2 whole square, which is 3 by 4, plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, which is 4 by 4, which is 1 should be the answer. Is this clear to all of you? The right answer will be 1 here. Just substitute the value. You have to by heart substitute the value and solve it. There is no other way around to solve this. Okay? So can I erase this? You all make a note of this. And as I always say, make sure that you work out the questions on your own. Only when you do not get the answer, take my help. Okay? Wonderful. Now, let's do the second question in that case. Alright. Let's do the second question. Second question will be 2 tan square 45. You know that tan 45 is 1. So tan square 45 is also 1. Plus cos square 30. You know that cos 30 is root 3 by 2, right? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square will be 3 by 4. Minus sin 60 is also root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4 again. So the answer will be 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 cancels off. What are we left with? We are left with only a 2 over here. That is what we will be left with. Correct or not? I hope it is clear to each and everyone here. So rest of the questions, rest 3 questions, make sure that you do it as a homework. Important one, substitute the values and get the answer. Okay, fine, fair enough. Great. Yeah. So choose the correct option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. So let's substitute the values. Divided by 1 plus tan square 30. What is tan square 30? It is 1 by root 3 the whole square. So this will be 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. This is what we'll have. 1 by root 3 the whole square is 1 by 3. So this is equal to 2 by root 3 whole divided by 4 by 3. Correct? 2 by root 3 whole divided by 4 by 3, which is 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3 will be into 3 by 4, right? That is root 3. This will become root 3. So this is root 3 by 2. So the value is root 3 by 2. Now let's observe the options and check which one matches with root 3 by 2. You know that sin 60 is already root 3 by 2, right? So the correct answer is option A already. So the right answer is option A here. Okay? Wonderful. Next one. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. 1 minus, what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1, right? So tan square 45 is 1 whole divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it will be 0 divided by 2, which is 0 itself. So the correct answer will be option D here. Put the value, get the answer. That's it. Direct question, nothing much is there. Alright. Wonderful. Next question. Sin 2 times of A is equal to 2 times of sin A is true when A is equal to which among the following? Let's substitute. Okay. So LHS is sin 2A, right? LHS is sin 2A. So let's substitute A as 0 degree here. So what is sine of 2 times of A? That is 2 times of 0. So which is sine 0? What is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. So LHS is 0. What is RHS? 2 times of sine 0, which is again 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, option A itself is the correct answer. Just substitute the option and get the answer. Okay. Fine. Next one more question. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. This is what you have. So 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan 30 the whole square, which is 1 by root 3 the whole square. So which will be 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by 3, which is 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2, right? This is what we'll have. 2 and 2 cancels, root 3 and 3 cancels, it will become root 3. So the final answer here is root 3. Which one matches with root 3? You know that tan 60 degree is also root 3, right? So the correct answer should be option C here. Because here on solving you got the answer as root 3. Now among the options, which among them matches? You know that cos 60 degrees 1 by 2, not matching. Sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2, not matching. Tan 60 degrees root 3, that is already matching. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2, that is also not matching. Only option C is matching. Hence the answer is option C. That's it. Okay. Now the next question. If 3 cot A, if 3 times of cot A is equal to 4, then check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is cos square A minus sin square A. Remember, when one value is given and you are asked to check whether, the question here is not to prove that. You should understand the difference between prove that and check whether. Check whether means just substitute the given values on LHS and RHS and check whether for the given value LHS and RHS are the same. That's the meaning of check whether. For prove that, you have to prove it using the formulas. Okay. So what is given? 3 cot A is 4. So what is cot A from it? Cot A is 4 by 3. So what is tan A then? Tan A should be the reciprocal of it, which is 3 by 4. Clear to all of you? Tan A is 3 by 4. Now if you draw a triangle like this with this as A, B and C. So what is tan A? Tan A is opposite side can be written as 3K, adjacent side can be written as 4K. Then the hypotenuse is 5K. Correct? We have done these questions in the first class. Those who do not know how to do it, rewatch the first episode. You will definitely be understanding this. Okay? So that part is done. Let's substitute it here. Okay? So in LHS, let's substitute the values. So you have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS with respect to these given values. That is what you have to check. So LHS is 1 minus tan square A. What is tan A? Tan A is 3 by 4. So tan square A will be 3 by 4 the whole square, which is 9 by 16. Is it clear to all? Because tan A is 3 by 4 means tan square A is 9 by 16 whole divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. So that should be equal to minus 7 by 16 divided by, you know, how much is this? 25 by 16, right? This should be 25 by 16. So 16 and 16 gone. Correct? So this is minus 7 by 25. This is what you have in the LHS. Now you have to put the values in the RHS and check whether you are getting same. So what is there in the RHS now? Let's check the RHS. RHS will be cos square A. What is cos A here? Cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is 4 by 5. So cos square A will be 4 by 5 the whole square minus sin square A. What is sin square A? Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse, which is 3 by 5. So minus, you know, minus 3 by 5 the whole square. This is what you have. Correct or not? This is what we have here, right? So that is equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25, which is 7 by 25. Is it the same now? Is it the same? Did we miss something here? Cos A is 4 divided by 5 the whole square minus, sorry, this is not minus 7, this is plus 7. Okay, this is plus 7 only. This was a calculation mistake. This is plus 7 only. So this is plus 7 by 25. Here also there is plus 7 by 25. Here also 7 by 25. So LHS is equal to RHS. Just a calculation mistake. It is 16 minus 9 is plus 7. I have written as minus 7. Just correct it. Okay. So here also it was 7 by 25. Here also it is 7 by 25. So the answer is LHS is equal to RHS for the given value. Hence it is verified that 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is cos square A minus sin square A for this particular question. Okay. Fine. Fair enough. Now the next question is, consider a triangle ACB. So let's draw a triangle ACB. This is the last question for the day and the last question from trigonometry. Hope you all enjoyed this class. This is the last question. Make sure that you share it with all your friends, okay? Because let's help each other, because in board exam everyone can score 100 marks. Help each other. Share this video. These are very well researched questions, very frequently seen questions. That is why I am taking this up. So share it. When you watch more, we'll get more energy to come up with more videos like this. Okay. So cos square A plus sin square theta. This is what you need. Okay. Let's draw the triangle first. So you are having a triangle and it is given ACB and right angled at C. This is given and ABC is theta. That means this angle is given as theta. Correct? Is the figure clear to all? And BC is 21. And what else is given? AB is 29. AB is 29. Using Pythagoras theorem, AC should be root of 29 square minus 21 square, right? So which is root of 29 square is root of 841 minus 441. So this is root of 400. So this should be 20. AC length is 20 units. Correct? Just I applied the Pythagoras theorem, nothing more. Determine the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. So first one is cos square theta. What is cos theta here? Cos theta is adjacent side, which is 21 divided by hypotenuse, which is 29 the whole square, plus sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, which is 20 by 29 the whole square. Clear to all? Which is equal to 21 by 29 the whole square is 441 divided by 841 plus 400 divided by 841. So which will be 841 divided by 841, which is equal to 1. So the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta here is 1. Some of you might directly write cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, but no, in this particular question they are asking you to find the value. So you should substitute and find itself, okay, or else you will not get the marks here. So that part is done. So it is 1. Next one, you need the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta. What is cos square theta? We have already found it as 441 divided by 841 minus sin square theta, which is sin theta is 20 by 29 the whole square, which is 400 divided by 841. Directly from here I am writing. You have seen the calculation, right? Because cos square theta is this itself. Sin square theta is 400 by 841 itself. Earlier you added, now you are subtracting. That's it. So that should be 41 divided by 841. This is the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this is the last question. Very important questions as discussed. Now, as I said in the beginning, if you enjoyed our video, if you need more classes with us, don't hesitate. Right now itself, download your ODA app and there you can enroll for your booster course. Okay, booster course is a 1-week program. 3 maths class and 3 science classes will be here. You will also get the personal support from a personal mentor teacher, and daily homeworks will be given during the 6-day period, and also tests can also be taken in the app, and e-books will also be provided to you, and at a very minimal price of 29, 49 or 99 rupees depending on which grade you are currently in. Alright, so to enroll, you can press on the description box, you can press on the link in the description box, and now itself you can enroll in our booster course. Okay, and those who download our app, you will get a lot of ODA coins which can be used for getting smart voice, smart speakers, smart mobile, everything. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with all your friends. It was amazing taking this past 4 classes. Next class also we will come up with a new chapter, most important questions from a new chapter. So don't miss this. I'll be waiting for you all. Do let me know which chapter you want next. You can type on the comment box whichever chapter you want next. Until we meet again, bye bye. Have a nice time. Enjoy the festive season. Bye.